Hi guys, it's Funday Friday. Everybody say hello.
Hi.
Hey, I've got my tiger shirt on. I've been thinking about you, and we wanted to bring another story to you today, but since it's Funday Friday, we want to share some of the fun things that you guys could be doing at home as a family. On Fridays at school, we'd like to play games as soon as the kids arrive, and then we do some fun activities throughout our day, like playing Duck, Duck, Goose. We played Shark Bite earlier today. And what else did we play, Nick?
Old Maid.
Old Maid. Have you guys played Old Maid? If not, your parents will know that game. What else did we play, David? Builder's Boom was another one we played.
And for my birthday.
That was a game they got for your birthday. So we played games for a little bit earlier today, and then we got working on some of our school things. So I wanted to bring to you another story. So it said, there's a bird on your head. Another Elephant and Piggy story. There's a bird on your head. All right?
There's a bird on my head.
All right. So I'm going to have you two go down there and sit so that you guys can see the pages. There is a bird on your head. Hey, don't move the stand, okay? All right. They're sitting there. There's a birdie. Look. What do you think's gonna happen? Nick.
He's gonna have a bird on his.
You think he's gonna have a bird on his head? Here we go. It says Piggy. He was startled. Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! How do you think he's feeling, friends? How do you think he's feeling right there, running right from the story?
Bad.
Ah! He's like, oh my gosh, there's something on my head.
You got it all.
Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are 2 birds on your head.
What does two bird mean?
2 birds. There are 2 birds on his head. What are 2 birds doing on my head? They are in love.
With me? With you?
The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. What do you think? Piggy says, oh, they're lovebirds. How does his face look? He's like, No, he's like, he just doesn't understand. Lovebirds? How do you know if they are lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds?
I have a question.
What's your question, David?
Because they
You have an answer.
They kissed.
They kissed? I didn't see him kissing on that page.
There was a heart, you know?
Oh, there's a heart over here. Okay, all right, we're gonna keep reading.
They're gonna make a nest.
Oh, you're right. They are making a nest. Look. They are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head. Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, 2. Three. You have 3 eggs on your head. Look. You see? I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Look at them. They're hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Piggy asked. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Yeah, ask them. What do you think? Do you think that's a good idea? Do you think they should ask them to go somewhere else? Yes or no? Yeah, I think so too. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? Ooh, that was a nice way to ask. Excuse me, birds, will you go somewhere else? No problem. It worked! And they said bye. Oh, look at his face now. They're flying up and out. That was simple. All he had to do was ask. Friends, if there's something that you need or want, don't just do. Don't get upset. Just ask. Just ask somebody. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Where did the birds go? Yes, they sat on Piggy's head. Isn't that so funny? Well, friends, thanks for reading another Mo Williams book. There is a bird on your head with me today. Happy Friday, Tiger Pride Friday. Yeah, whoop, whoop. So maybe you can do some dancing. We like to do a lot of dancing on Fridays too, and that could be something that you do with your family tonight. So I hope you guys like this video and be tuning in next week for some more videos. Would love to see pictures of you and your family as you guys are doing schoolwork at home or playing, and we miss you, so please feel to post them on our class tag. Thanks. Bye.